what's up, y'all? Otis Toussaint here for Wide Aperture Media, doing another photo shoot here in the sweet island of Trinidad and Tobago with Tracey. Right now we have my boy Bevan on the camera. We have Drizzy holding the lights and everything, and we're gonna do some wonderful shots. I hope you enjoy today's video and photo shoot. So, are you on social media? Alright, so I'm going to share her links and all those different things at the end, and I hope that you enjoyed today's shoot. So, that's all. Peace. So we just got done with the photo shoot there. It was a fun with you? Alright, so I had fun as well. Photography, the lighting assistance, and the videography well done by the young man there. I hope that you all enjoy the footage that y'all got, and until the next time, y'all take care.